In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your call history in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and wait for the main app window to load. Once you're in, go to the left sidebar and click Calls. This takes you to the calling section, where Microsoft Teams keeps your recent call activity in one place. In the center panel, you'll see your call history. This is the main list you'll use to check previous calls. As you look through the list, review each entry for the contact name, the call type, and the date and time. That lets you quickly see who the call was with, what kind of call it was, and when it happened. Next, go to the top right of the call history list and click the Filter drop-down. This menu changes what appears in the list. Select Missed to show only missed calls. The call history will now display just the calls you didn't answer. Click the filter again, and this time select Voicemail. That switches the list so you can view voicemail-related entries instead. After that, click the filter one more time and select All. This returns the call history to the full list, so everything appears again. To manage a specific call entry, move your pointer over a call in the list. When you hover over it, additional controls become available on the right side of that entry. Click the three-dot menu there to open more actions for that call. From this menu, choose the action you want. You can click Call Back to place another call to that contact. You can click Chat to open a conversation. You can also choose Add to Speed Dial or Add to Contacts, depending on what you want to do with that person's information inside Teams. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you want to remove a call from the visible list, hover over the call entry you want to remove. Then click the three-dot menu on the right side again. In the menu that opens, click Remove from View. That removes the selected entry from your call history view. That's how to see your call history in Microsoft Teams. Filter it to find missed calls or voicemail. Use the menu for actions like calling back or chatting, and remove an entry from view directly from the list.